In this video, I want to show you how to leave alliance in Whiteout Survival game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Whiteout Survival, and then from here, log into your account. From here, we need to go ahead and look at these tabs at the bottom of the screen, and then click onto the Alliance tab. Now we can view our alliance inside of here. And now in order to leave this alliance, simply go ahead and click on the settings gear icon on the bottom right hand corner of the page, and then there's an option here, an orange button that says leave alliance. So go ahead and click on leave alliance. It says you're about to lose all your alliance tech bonuses and you will no longer be able to receive help from your allies or alliance rewards. So if you want to go ahead and leave it, go ahead and click confirm. Then from here it will say you left the alliance, and if we go ahead and click on that alliance tab again, it will say we can create alliance, join, and invites, requests,